Welcome to Staircase HD. This channel is dedicated to clear and practical tutorials on open source applications, learn tools, workflows, and real-world solutions, step by step. If you build, create, or learn with open source, you're in the right place. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will walk you through the general procedure of creating a designer shop drawing using FreeCAD's TechDraw Workbench. This shop drawing will have some orthographic views to describe the part shape, key features and dimensions, material specification to produce a part which usually placed in the bill of material, so the fabricator workshop will have the necessary information to manufacture the part following this drawing. In previous video we have learned about FreeCAD introduction and interface, creating body and sketches, basic sketch lines, rectangulars and circles, including dimension setting and durotate/polar transform, creating pads, chamfers, fillets and holes, shapes mirroring, also working with datum plane and projecting external geometry. Mostly we have done in Power Design Workbench. Please click the link above if you want to watch from beginning or to refresh. For this video we will use part created in the first tutorial. Please open the link at the comment below to download the NEMA 17 3030 file. If you don't have it yet on computer to continue with. Please also download the A2 Landscape ISO 7230.svg file from there, as we also will use it as drawing template for this session. Now everything is ready and let's get started. Start FreeCAD and first open the file NEMA 17 3030.fcstd. Switch to TechDraw Workbench. Press Insert Page using Template button. FreeCAD use SVG format for the drawing template. The default available templates are located in this folder in Drive C, but most of them are using first angle orientation. In this tutorial we will use third angle orientation. Therefore, in the Select a Template file dialog, select the downloaded file A2 Landscape ISO 7230.svg as we have mentioned earlier. If you need to make a customized one, please request on the comment below. We can make a new step-by-step tutorial on how to make SVG drawing template using Inkscape app. The template is opened and ready to be used. Here we have landscape-oriented A2 paper size with the border. Zoom into the title block. Change company name and the other details following your requirement. The symbol for the third angle orientation is also shown. Zoom out so the whole paper can be seen on the screen. Click the page on the combo view. Go to Data tab. Change the projection type to third angle. Change the scale to 2.00. Go to View tab. Change the grid spacing to 10.0 mm. Show grid to true. Click the scale on the title block. Enable the autofill. Click OK. Select the body in combo view. Click Insert View. On the Task panel, enable the bottom and left secondary projections. Change projection to third angle. Set the X and Y spacings to 50 mm. Click OK. Click the Proj group. Go to Data tab. Change X and Y to 150 mm. Now we have the front, top and right views ready for the next steps. Click File, Save As, name the file NEMA 17 3030.002.scstd and click Save. If you haven't already, feel free to subscribe to this channel. It helps support the channel. And if you find this video useful, please like and share it with others. Now we will add dimensions for each view, starting with the top one. Zoom into the top view. We have 5 circles which need to have center marks here. Hold Ctrl key and select all the circle lines one by one. Click Add Circle Set to Lines. We can start now to add the dimensions. Hold Ctrl and select vertices as shown. Click Create Horizontal Chain Dimensions. Hold Ctrl and select the newly created dimensions. Drag the dimensions around 20 mm above the topmost drawing line. Select and delete the middle dimension. We need the space to put the dimensions related with the center lines there. Click Insert Dimension and add horizontal dimensions as shown for the circle center lines. Let's continue for the vertical dimensions as shown. Now add the circle diameter dimensions. And add the chamfer dimension. We continue to complete the front view here. Then for the right view. To make the drawing more descriptive, let's add a 3D isometric view. First, go to NEM 17 3030 bracket 002 part tab and change the view as shown. Go back to Page tab. Select any view and click Insert Active 3D View. Click OK. Select and drag the active view. On the Data tab, change X to 500 mm and Y to 310 mm. Change the scale to 2.0, width to 160 mm and height to 180 mm. On the View tab, change the crop to true. Now we will add the material and quantity information. Go to Material Workbench. Click Edit. Find and select STLS 235JR.FC map. Click Inherit New to make a copy from it. In the name, type Galvanized STLS 235JR base. Click Save. Click OK. Click OK. Select and right-click Body. Click Material. Select Galvanized Steel S235GR base we have just created. Click Close. Select the body, change the label to NEM 17 BKT001. On the title block, change also the part number to NEM 17 BKT001. And change the drawing number to FCTU002. Click OK. Now we generate the bill of material, one of the most editable ways using the add-on. Click Tools Add-on Manager. Look for Bill of Material Workbench. Check the Python dependencies and make sure OpenPixel is installed already. If not yet, you need to choose it to be installed also to make the Bill of Material Workbench add-on run later. Click Install. Wait until installation finished. Click OK. Close the add-on manager. Click Restart Now to restart FreeCAD. Click Save. Reopen the file NEM 17 3030 002.sc std after FreeCAD restarted. Go to Bill of Material Workbench. Click Create BOM. Click Set Extra Columns. The Bill of Material form dialog opened. On the left are the columns available to be displayed on the Bill of Material table. On the right are the selected columns to be displayed. Add, remove, and reorder the columns as shown. Click OK. Click Create Total BOM. Click OK. The new BOM is shown on the combo view. Right-click the BOM and select Show Spreadsheet. Change the heading label to Part Number. Add an M17 mounting bracket for 3030T slot as description. And change the heading material name to material. Adjust the width of the table columns as necessary. Select cells A1 to F2. Go to Spreadsheet Workbench. Change the front color to black and back color to white. Now go back to Page tab. Go to TechDraw Workbench. Make sure the BOM is selected. Click Insert View. Select the sheet. In the Data tab, change text size to 18 and line width to 2.5. Then change cell start to A1 and cell end to F2. Position the sheet object on the drawing as shown. Turn view frames off. The drawing is ready. Save the file. You can right-click and select to export the drawing page with the format as you need. Here I am choosing the PDF format. Change the folder to where you will save the PDF and click Save. The designer shop drawing is ready and you can use it as you need. Thank you for watching. In this video we have learned about designer shop drawing brief definition, inserting drawing template, first and third angle projections, the title block and page settings, inserting the top, front, right and isometric 3D views, adding center marks, linear and chain dimensions, material workbench to copy, edit and assign material, installing bill of material add-on, Spreadsheet Workbench to edit and insert the BOM table, exporting the drawing. If you have any comments, suggestions, or input, please leave them below. You can also request topics for the next videos there. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe. Please also like and share the video to support the channel. Let's get smart together and see you in next Staircase Itchy session.